Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Chrissy, and for today's video, I'm about to show you guys my Prettyllittlething haul. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you guys want to see it, and a lot of you guys have said yes, so I'm sitting down here today about to show you guys everything that I got. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, help your girl out, like, comment down below, turn your post notification on, and let's go ahead and get the thing started. In this video, you guys will actually see me trying on the clothes because a lot of you guys actually requested this a while back ago, and you guys were saying, girl, you need to try it on. I need to see it if it's gonna look good on you. So today is gonna be the day. I cannot wait to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get it started. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys, I'm actually wearing the outfit right now. So I got this matching set from Prettyllittlething. I am a size small, so I got the size small, and it says Prettyllittlething on the sleeves right there, and also on the left side of my leg it says Prettyllittlething. I love that it says Prettyllittlething because anything that has to do with Prettyllittlething, I'm gonna support it. I freaking love Prettyllittlething. They've been rocking with me for a long time now, so I appreciate them like hooking me up all the time, making me look good. So yeah, I freaking love this. This is gonna be my airport look, Walmart look, Target look, my everyday look, my pajamas look. I don't care. I feel like I can like live in this outfit. Prettyllittlething, yo, you did a great job. I actually like this color on me. At first I was kind of like, oh, I don't know, it's kind of out of my comfort zone. You know me, I love pink, but it's two different pink. This is like a darker version, and I freaking love it anyways. What I love about this outfit, it's super warm. I can definitely see myself wearing this on the plane because, you know, I'm going to the Philippines soon, and I definitely need something to keep me warm on the plane because it's gonna be like 15 hours flight. And last time that I went to the Philippines, I remember I was freaking cold, even though they like give you like your own blanket. It's so thin. I need something to keep me warm, even though I was already wearing something matching set like this already, but it was like a little bit thinner than this. But yeah, freaking love this. Definitely my style. Alright guys, so the next outfit that I'm gonna show you guys, I ended up taking my chair off because I need to back up and show you guys exactly what it looks like. And here's the top. I'm wearing this white top, and it has birds right there. I freaking love this top. It's giving me like Britney Spears vibes, and that's what I'm all about. I'm all about the 90s baggy jeans and like really tight top, and I freaking love it. I wish I got this in size extra small because this is a size small. It's kind of loose on me, but it's fine. I can always just, you know, tighten it and stuff, you know, that's no biggie. But it's cute. I freaking love it. I have this mark from the sweatpants, so sorry about that. I freaking love this jeans. This jeans, by the way, is a mom jeans, and it's in gray. I freaking love it because I'm all about this dress. And on the other side as well, but it's a little bit lower than this one, and I'm freaking love this jeans. I actually have this already, but that one's a little bit tighter, so I ended up getting a different size, and this is a size 8, and the one that I have is a size 6. So now I can actually eat more food, and you know, it's a little bit loose. It's cool, you know, that's fine. I'm all about like baggy jeans anyway, so that's cool. Yeah, so here's the outfit. Let me know if you guys are digging this outfit because I actually like this. Alright, moving on to the next outfit. So the next thing that I'm going to show you guys, I don't have nothing to pair it with, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So I decided to get this Mocha puffer coat. I freaking love it. I already have a black and red coat, and you know, I needed something nude, so I decided to get this. I know that it's not winter anymore, but in the Bay Area it's freaking cold, and it's always bipolar, and I freaking hate the weather out here. It's either sunny the next day and then foggy the next day, and I freaking hate it. So I decided to get this coat, and I freaking love it. I feel like it goes with a lot of outfits. It's so cute. What do you guys think about this? And I love that it comes with this hood right here because I can always, you know, keep myself warm. And I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. I'm gonna zip it up. It's definitely a different style than the ones that I have from Prettyllittlething, but I mean, it's cute. You can never go wrong with a puffer coat. I feel like it can go with a lot of outfits, and that's the style right now anyway. So yeah, you can even wear it just like this. Yeah, I like it. It's cute. Okay, so here's the next outfit. I ended up getting this brown tie-dye matching set. I am in love with this. It's so cute. It's giving me like Kanye West style, and it's really cute. I can see Travis Scott wearing this outfit. Even Kylie Jenner, I can definitely see her wearing this outfit. And it's so cute. Kind of reminds me of like Fire. And I love that it comes with this hood right here. Ugh. Sorry, let me fix my hair. But yeah, it's so cute. Oh my god. I am in love with this set. It's so cute. I mean, you can just wear your Air Force with this, any kind of shoes you want, but I feel like I am in love with this. I can live in this outfit forever. Anything that has to do with matching set, I'm always down for it. I feel like it's the most easiest thing to put on, and like just put on some Air Force. It's all good. You're gonna go. You can go. But yeah, I'm running out of breath because I'm like bending down like this for you guys. But yeah, here's what the outfit looks like. I love how you can tuck it in like this, and it fits me really, really good. And this is a size small, guys. I love how you can wear it like this too. Oh my god, this might have to be my favorite one. But I don't know, I like the other matching set too. But what do you guys think? Do you guys like this? Would you guys actually wear this outfit? Because I'll wear this outfit every day. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Alright guys, so the next thing that I got from PRETTYLITTLETHING, I decided to get this black hoodie. And I love that it says Pulp Fiction. If you guys have not seen it, you guys should definitely check it out. It was a film from 1994, and it's a great movie. You guys will not regret it. You guys will thank me later. If you guys have not seen it, definitely check it out. But yeah, I love that I got this in size large, because if you guys know, I love anything that has to do with oversized clothes. So that's why I decided to get it in black. And I finally got my own hoodie, and I don't have to borrow it from my boyfriend, so thank god. Yeah, next outfit. Alright guys, so the next item that I got from PRETTYLITTLETHING, I decided to get this tie-dye mesh top, and I freaking love this top. I'm wearing a bra underneath this, so don't worry about that. You guys already seen this jeans, but I am in love with this top. What do you guys think? It's cute. It fits perfectly fine on me, and I am in love with this. I don't know, for some reason tie-dyes, for some reason it's really popular right now, so that's why I decided to get this. I actually got this in pink, but that one is from Mscrisssy. This one is from PRETTYLITTLETHING, and it's special. I love anything that has to do with green, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really cute. What do you guys think about this? Show you guys close up. It's cute, right? What do you guys think? Can definitely see myself wearing this for festival and stuff, and it's really cute. It's perfect for the summertime. Yeah, here's what it looks like. Alright guys, so here's the next outfit. I decided to get this black cardigan. This is supposed to be a size large. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but they're really baggy on me. But that's fine. It was the only one item anyways. That was the only one stock, so I decided to get it. They didn't have a size small. They don't have a size medium, so I was like, I really want to get this so bad. So I mean, I'm not really regretting it, because I actually like it baggy. I never seen anything like this, but it's really cute. It's kind of out of my comfort zone. I'm not used to it yet, but it's kind of giving me that loungewear vibe. You know what I mean? Like, it's really comfy. Definitely see myself wearing this. And by the way, I have a bra underneath this. And can we just talk about this pants that I got from PRETTYLITTLETHING? Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at that. Look at the stripes. And look at this. I mean, this together, I can definitely see myself wearing this together. It's so cute. I freaking love this outfit. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I decided to get this pants because I was like, oh my god, I've never seen anything like that. I definitely want to try it out, so that's why I ended up getting it. And This one, it was kind of like, I really want this so bad, but they don't have a size small, but I'm gonna get it anyways. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the last outfit. I only have one more item and we're done. But yeah, let me go ahead and change. Alright guys, so here's the last outfit that I got from PRETTYLITTLETHIng. I decided to get this matching set. You know me, when it comes to blazers, I'm all about it. Especially when it comes with the set. I freaking love it. So I have this high-waisted pants right here. And by the way, this is a baby blue and I freaking love baby blue. There's just something about it. It's calling my name. So that's why I decided to get it. And I'm gonna wear it out with this bag that I got. This is like super old by the way, but I just kind of want to show you guys exactly how I'm going to style it because I don't have any cute bag. The only thing that looks nice with this is this bag. So here's what it looks like. It's super long by the way. Freaking love it. It's so cute. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, make sure you guys click the button right now. And make sure while you're at it, make sure you guys turn your post notification on so you don't miss out on any of my video next time I upload. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Mscrisssy, Mscrisssy. I'm there 24/7. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to just hit me up. I'm always down to just message you guys back and talk to you guys and get to know you guys. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!